Hey there, my name is Sharon McCaskill. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist helping you live gluten-free with confidence and without the stress. And this is our part 2 of our Florida vacation. You can see I'm in sunny Florida instead of cloudy, snowy New York. And we are just enjoying our trip now that the sun has come out and all of that. So if you're curious to see how we travel on a gluten-free diet, hit that like button, keep watching, because I firmly believe that you can travel and enjoy life despite gluten-free dietary restrictions, that they don't have to control you. You're still in charge of your trip and you can enjoy yourself. So here we go. What'd you guys make?
Cookies. Well, we're baking them.
You're baking them using what? Cake mix?
Yeah, gluten-free. It's for everybody.
Nice, and you're turning them into cookies?
Yes.
They look good. We'll have to see how they come out. This is what happens when we visit grandparents, right? We make cookies.
Yeah.
Cookies are done. Are you eating one? How was it?
Good.
Is it good? You like cake mix cookies?
It's falling apart.
It's falling apart. It does that, huh? Should we make these at home? All right, we stole away for a date night, left the kids with my parents, and we're gonna get some gluten-free pizza.
Sounds good.
We found the restaurant using the Atlee app, the Gluten-Free Eats Map by Atlee, and supposedly they also have dairy-free cheese, so I'm excited. I want pizza. Let's go eat. It was super good. I really liked it.
All pizza should be made like that.
It was really good. The dairy-free cheese melted and it was chef's kiss. But it was really good, and I'm gonna take my leftovers home and eat them for lunch tomorrow. And of course, after we ate, I opened up the Gluten-Free Eats Map again and gave it my own review so that other people could see how great of a job they did handling cross-contact and all of that. I really recommend this place. It was so good. So we're gonna go to the beach, and I'm gonna take some time just to pack up some snacks to bring with us. We're gonna eat lunch before we go, but kids always get hungry and stuff, so we're gonna pack some drinks and some snacks, so I'll show you what we bring. All right, so the first thing we're gonna pack are drinks. So we have some bubbly and we have some water bottles, and that's about it. So I'm gonna throw those in the cooler. All right, and I'm also gonna cut up some apples, and we're gonna pack some other fruit as well. Some oranges. Get some chips in the pantry. So this doesn't go in the cooler, but we have some Tostitos. Maybe I'll pack myself some hummus to go with that. Wavy chips. My one daughter loves those. And these are what Tyler and I found at Target. We'll bring that to the beach. That sounds really good. Just bring this whole bag. I found the hummus in the fridge, red pepper hummus. My one daughter and I both really like this. I'm gonna put it in a bag just to make sure it doesn't like leak anywhere. But we'll eat this with chips. All right, we got a lot of stuff in here, so I'm just gonna throw some ice packs in and be done. So We packed a bunch of drinks. We have the hummus, apple slices as well as whole apples, some oranges, and we're just gonna throw these right in. It's heavy, I'll show you it. So we got everything packed in there with the ice packs, and then we have some chips and popcorn to go in a bag as well. All right, we made it to the beach. We got our food in here. I got extra stuff in my bag. It's super windy though, but we pretty much have the beach to ourselves, which is nice. Tyler's chilling. Yeah?
Nice to have all this space by ourselves. Yeah. So we can make a dozen sandcastles.
What?
We can make a dozen sandcastles.
You can make a dozen sandcastles. Nice. But yeah, we're just gonna chill here and I'm gonna read my book. It's Tuesday, so we're doing Taco Tuesday. So we're making a taco bar. So I'm gonna show you some of the stuff we're making, but it should be pretty easy. All right, so we are having taco night tonight. It's Taco Tuesday, so I'm helping cook, and over here we have some peppers, onions, and mushrooms for fajitas. These are seasoned with just some salt and pepper and some cumin and garlic. And we have rice back here that's all done. It's just sitting and waiting to fluff, and we're cooking some taco meat. The rice boiled over. See, no one's being perfect here. And here's our taco meat. We're about to drain it. And then we'll add some seasonings. We're gonna make our own taco seasoning. So we'll just do some chili powder, cumin, some garlic salt. These are all by Badia. I don't know how you say it, but I like these because they actually have the gluten-free label on them, and my mom buys these too. They're also super affordable. And you can see we have some peppers here. I just cut those up raw for my kids because that's what they like. We're gonna serve it with some salsa. We have some Rotel. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that yet, but that's what we got. So we got all our stuff out for our taco bar. We have beans, we have queso dip and salsa and lettuce. Those are the Rotel tomatoes in case anyone wants them. I made a little guacamole. We got some raw veggies. My oldest doesn't really like tacos, so she'll probably just make a salad out of this. We also have some Tostitos, so we can turn it into nachos. And then here we have all done our meat and rice and veggies, and we have crunchy shells cooking in the oven. And before we could leave the Tampa Clearwater area, I really wanted to go to HaleLife Bakery. I've seen it on Instagram for a long time, and everything looks really good. They're top 9 allergen-free except for coconut, and they have a couple locations, but we chose the one near the Clearwater Airport. They had so many options, it was really hard to choose, but we ended up with a cookie, banana bread, and some donuts. And of course, I had to jump back on the Gluten-Free Eats Map and give it my own review to go with all the other really good reviews. If you're curious to try the Gluten-Free Eats Map, you can always use the link down in my video description for a free 1-week trial. I really recommend it. It's really helpful, especially when you're traveling. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you check out part 1. But I really hope that this video inspires you, that you can travel, do adventures, enjoy your life that you loved before going gluten-free. if you get anything from this video, I hope that you see being gluten-free is not a life ender. It truly gives you the freedom to enjoy travel and enjoy the things that you used to enjoy without the pain associated with consuming gluten if you have celiac disease or some other medical need to be gluten-free, and that you can travel and enjoy great food and all of that despite being gluten-free. So if you want to know more about gluten-free living, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any more new videos. And if you're curious about the Atlee tool that we use to find gluten-free eats wherever we travel, be sure to check out the link down in the video description for your 7-day free trial.